Hello and welcome back to the series of cooking and eating Indian traditional food with healthy touch. In today's episode, I'm going to show you a very quick and easy breakfast recipe that can be served as a light lunch or dinner as well. I am making Gobi Poha, which is like a cauliflower and wheaten rice for the breakfast. According to nutrition scientist Dr. Ramji, Poha is made by partly cooking the rice with the bran and then dried and flattened. It is minimally processed and retains multiple health benefits. Poha is easy to digest. Poha has high content of B vitamins, specifically vitamin B6. Poha is high in iron, calcium, and selenium. Poha is a probiotic food source. It contains resistant starch. Poha provides a better glycemic control and is suitable for diabetics because it does not spike blood sugar like raw rice. And to add more protein to this recipe, I am going to add green peas and paneer. If you are following vegan diet, use tofu instead of paneer. So let's get started. Take a cup of poha, flattened or beaten rice. Wash and soak with just a little bit of water. So just sprinkle water and let it get soft. Wash cauliflower really well and chop or shred fine, like so. This video is a part of a Svelte weight loss program. If you are looking into losing or maintaining your body weight, please do visit the website sweltzone.com. The link is provided under this video description. Heat up the pan on a high heat in the beginning, and then we're going to cook on a low to medium heat. Add a teaspoon of oil. Add mustard seeds and let them crack. Cover to prevent the mess here. Carefully add curry leaves. And ready to add cauliflower in it. Add ginger garlic paste. Give this a really good stir. Add salt, green peas, turmeric powder, coriander cumin powder, garam masala, optional, but I kind of love to add garam masala in this recipe. Mix really well. Alright, looking great. Cover and let all these cook a little bit, about a minute or so. Let's check. Alright, so I don't want to overcook cauliflower. So at this point, I'm going to add remaining ingredients. Ground peanut for more protein. Other nuts like cashews, almonds can be used here. Sesame seeds brings an amazing crunch. Black pepper. Red chili powder. This is not too hot, so I'm adding it a little bit more, but can be adjusted to your liking. Give this all a quick stir again. I'm loving how colorful it looks. Alright. Next, add paneer. I always keep shredded paneer in my freezer, so anytime I want, I can just add easily. Soaked poha. As you can see, poha gets double in quantity once they are soaked. Now mix everything together really well. I'm going to remove the stem of the curry leaf, and this time be sure to give a good stir until everything looks uniform with all those spices. So as you can see, this recipe comes together very quickly, so perfect for breakfast. And the last thing I'm going to do is squeeze lemon or lime juice, and to balance all the flavors, just a little bit of sugar, totally optional, but I kind of like to balance the flavors. And our high protein poha is ready. Alright, I am ready to serve. Look at this, how yummy it looks, and the aroma is so wonderful here. Feel free to top it up with more nutrition. To garnish, I'm using coriander leaves here, and for the crunch, some onion and little juiciness from tomato. Tastes amazing in this recipe. And I am so ready to dig into this colorful, yummy looking plate. Goodness. I simply love it. Too good. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, making of quick traditional Indian breakfast with healthy touch, cauliflower poha with more added protein. This is a perfect recipe for Weight Watchers. So I highly recommend to try this recipe out and let me know how you like it. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for new videos every week. You can visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok. Bhavna's Kitchen is almost everywhere. You can download Bhavna's Kitchen app totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire or YouTube app itself. Thank you for watching and see you soon.